Hey, what are you making today?
Oh, good morning, honey.
Good morning.
So I am making your ultra delicious morning smoothie.
Wow.
Do you want to learn it?
Oh yeah, sure. Why not?
Hi, my name is Madhu and welcome to the Teaching My Husband How to Cook series. Today I'm gonna show him how to make his favorite ultimate green tonic. He comes rarely to the kitchen, so I want to take full advantage of it. I call it ultimate because this is what you need to have an all-in-one alkaline solution for an antioxidant boost and vitamin C with powerful cancer-fighting properties.
How can I help?
Oh sure, I'm going to show you the ingredients here which I use. So parsley, avocado, kale, dates, I took 3. Then half of the banana, lemon peel, ginger, cilantro, some pineapple, cucumber. I'm gonna use a teaspoon of pumpkin seeds, and this is 1 teaspoon of chia seeds and some organic green spinach.
Wow, so many ingredients.
Yeah, and you know, for my smoothie, I use spirulina powder too.
Oh.
And some basil drops.
Nice.
But I know you don't like it, so I don't put the basil drops and this powder in your smoothie. This is a very big avocado. Okay, and this is organic. All right, all good.
Do you use all organics?
Yeah, mostly. And you know, we also add gooseberry, amla.
Okay.
But because of the lockdown, it's hard to find green vegetables in the grocery store.
Oh, okay.
So, no amla for today. All right, and I added half a glass of water, and then you can mix it, grind it up. Oh, thank you. But we made this for you.
Oh, thanks.
So this will be a little bit sweeter because of the dates we added and pineapple and banana, if you remember.
Yeah.
So just taste it and tell how it tastes.
Oh, I love it.
You love it? Okay, good.